What if your camera could survive this? Splash sound. We took these 5 waterproof beasts into hurricanes, deep sea dives, and even a waterfall, and they came out crystal clear. Spoiler, number 3 shocked us by working 50 feet underwater without a case. Want adventure-proof footage? All links are below. Let's dive deep. Number 1. Oceanic Plus iPhone housing. Turns your iPhone into an underwater camera with advanced photo and video features, including digital color correction filters. Use various camera modes such as photo, video, burst, and video screen capture. Turn your iPhone into a dive computer. Integrates seamlessly with Oceanic Plus app developed for the Apple Watch Ultra, unlocking scuba dive computer functionality. Watertight seal. An automatic vacuum pump creates a tight seal around your iPhone to prevent water from entering the case. The integrated leak detector provides alert if any moisture is detected. Depth reading of 196 feet. Compatibility. Housing case is compatible with devices running iOS 16 and newer. iPhone 15, all, iPhone 14, all, iPhone 13, all, iPhone 12, all, iPhone 11, all, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, iPhone 10, iPhone SE, 2nd and 3rd gen. Number 2. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is the most advanced action camera in its class, offering 8K video recording, exceptional low-light performance, and a Leica lens for professional-level footage. While it's the best topside action camera available, its 39-foot, 12mm, depth rating without a housing limits its underwater capabilities. However, with its dive case, it can go as deep as 196 feet, 60 meters, and maintain the same high-quality imaging. If you're looking for the most cinematic action camera on the market, the Ace Pro 2 is a worthy investment, but for divers, its limitations need to be considered. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 is a well-rounded action camera with a strong focus on underwater performance. Unlike its competitors, the Osmo Action 5 can dive up to 66 feet, 20 meters, without a housing, making it ideal for many recreational dives. It features rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, an ultra-wide 155-degree field of view, 48 gigabytes of internal storage, and a color temperature sensor that automatically adjusts white balance underwater. While it doesn't shoot beyond 4K resolution, it remains a solid option for divers looking for a ready-to-use action camera. Number 4. DiveVolk SeaTouch 4 Max Plus. Designed for all smartphones, Apple and Android alike, the DiveVolk SeaTouch 4 Max Plus underwater phone housing gives you full touchscreen access while diving. Because you'll have unrestricted use of your phone, you'll also have full access to its native camera app, making this housing a strong choice for divers who want high-quality photos. After testing the DiveVolk SeaTouch 4 across multiple dives, we found it to be a secure, functional, and easy-to-use option with a few considerations for potential buyers. Number 5. OM System TUF TG7 Underwater Camera. Improving on the previous model, the OM System TUF TG7 offers a feature-rich camera in a compact and durable package with plenty of accessories, depending on use. Anyone from the avid traveler to the novice photographer will find this device a joy to handle and may even capture the photo of a lifetime with its 12MP stills and 4K video. The Olympus TUF TG7 digital camera is a waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof camera. Filmmaker's companion, it has panorama, 4K movie, and high-speed movie options to ensure that creative filmmaking ideas never end. Lightweight camera, at 249 grams. The TG7 is lighter than its previous edition. Crushproof and freeze-proof. This rugged camera is crushproof up to 100 kgf and freeze-proof up to -10 degrees C. So, which camera is your next adventure buddy? Tell us in the comments. Waterwave if this saved you from a ruined vacation horror story. Smash like, share with your travel squad, and subscribe for more gear that won't quit. All cameras? Linked below. Stay wild, explorers.